In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Amazon using a variety of methods. The beauty of Amazon's marketplace is its vast array of opportunities for enterprising individuals, whether through selling physical products, providing services, or utilizing affiliate programs. Let's dive into the details. First, if you're considering selling products, Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, is a popular and efficient choice. With FBA, you send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon then takes care of the storage, packaging, and shipping details. It's a great way to leverage Amazon's vast logistics network while focusing on expanding your product range and customer base. Another viable method is dropshipping. Here, you can list products for sale on Amazon without having to physically own them. When a customer makes a purchase, you simply buy the product from a third-party supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. This approach reduces the need for upfront inventory investment, though it requires careful management of supply chains to maintain quality and delivery standards. For artisans, Amazon Handmade provides a platform to sell unique handcrafted items. It targets a discerning audience looking for personalized or bespoke products. If this aligns with your offerings, it's an excellent way to reach customers craving creativity and craftsmanship. Alternatively, you might explore selling private label products. This involves sourcing products, branding them with your label, and selling them under your own brand name on Amazon. It allows you to build brand loyalty and potentially command higher margins. Similarly, reselling or wholesaling involves buying items at a lower price, such as from garage sales or bulk suppliers, and listing them on Amazon for a profit. These methods require an eye for market trends and a knack for finding good deals. Now, let's delve into making money on Amazon without selling products. One option is joining the Amazon Associates program, which is essentially affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting Amazon products on your website, blog, or social media. By sharing unique affiliate links, any sales made through your links earn you a percentage of the revenue. For those with a strong social media presence, the Amazon Influencer program could be an ideal fit. It allows you to create a personalized storefront on Amazon, showcasing products you recommend to your followers. If you're an author, consider publishing ebooks with Kindle Direct Publishing. Through KDP, you can make your works available to a global audience and earn royalties. Similarly, with Amazon Merch on Demand, you design apparel like t-shirts, and Amazon handles the printing and shipping. For those interested in other forms of work, consider Amazon Mechanical Turk. This platform offers various tasks like data entry or transcription that you can complete for payment. Lastly, there's Amazon Flex, where you can deliver packages and earn money based on the number of deliveries you make. It offers flexible hours and can be an excellent way to earn extra income. By exploring these diverse avenues, you can tap into the massive potential of Amazon's marketplace to generate income effectively.